What do five-star luxury spas all get wrong with the guest experience? Let me show you. When you arrive at a spa, they normally typically hand you a lovely robe, big fluffy robe. Doesn't matter where you are in the world, whether that robe is too hot for you or not, and a towel and a head towel. Okay, that's a lot. That's a lot, yes? And you think, great, this is going to be fantastic. So you get all that, you get your little slippers, you get changed, you put on a robe in the changing room, and then, you know, instead of feeling fantastic, you feel very cumbersome. You're overheating a little bit, and you feel, I don't know, you've got no support going on underneath, shall we say. And then as you move through this spa experience and you go into, let's say, the treatment room, they say, can you remove your gown? And you remove your gown and quickly you lie on the bed, and you know, it's that awkward moment between lying down and being naked. And sometimes you're just there for a facial. So there's no reason why you should be naked from here down. Then you can go to the sauna, and you've got to put your bikini on and to sit in the sauna, and then you need another towel to sit on the towel in the sauna. All very good, but then you come out and then you're sticky, and then do you know how to take you put the big robe back on, do you hold the towel around you, then you've got a towel, then you've got a robe, and then you're thinking, oh God, you know, I've got all this, but really I'm just still wet and I'm about to go into my treatment room and I need to get this bikini off. So I get the bikini off, I find somewhere quickly to get changed, and I quickly put on my dressing gown again, and then I'm ready to go into the treatment room or to sit down and have, say I've finished the treatment and then I want to go and sit down and have my nice cup of tea that they bring you. And then I start to boil up again. And if it's in an outside area, oh my God, who sits outside in a dressing gown? Who does that? You wouldn't do that at home. Why would you do that in a spa? This is where Dry Dolly comes in. We saw this and we reimagined what the towel could look like, what the dressing gown could look like, what the whole experience from arriving at the spa, gliding through each part of the spa journey, the pool, the sauna, the treatment room, the relaxation area. What could be a garment that would fit in and bring those touch points all together with one garment? Just think of the savings. We could make that perfect where it would fit most people, most women, feel more comfortable, feel less cumbersome, look more elegant. Imagine if we could do all those things. Imagine the savings operationally in a spa. Did you know the #1 cost in a spa is their towels and laundry, their towels? So just from a starting point, that alone is worth a conversation. Drop me an email at support@drydolly.com if you're interested. But let me show you what a dry dolly looks like. Here is just one of our classic dresses. Lightweight, step in, pull up, inbuilt by support, not clingy around the tummy, all loose with pockets. Can sit in it without a bikini in the sauna. It is your towel, it is your robe, it is your dress. It's all those things. It can move fluidly through each of the touch points. It can even take you outside of the spa if you're in a hotel facility or big resort and take you back up into your hotel room. So, and nobody would think that you are wearing your towel. Then obviously you could have it bespoke as well. Like there we have spa written on just to show you that we can bespoke and make it about your brand, your hotel, your guest experience. You want to still offer a hotel robe? Keep doing that. But the towel and the robe. Actually, the robe has been around for 50 years. Time for a little bit of an upgrade, don't you think? You want to be a bit different? I've got something special for you. But the drying experience is about to get a massive upgrade. So come with me on the journey and dry in style. Thank you.